In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate trend forecast using the linear trend projection method. First, we need to prepare the data. Typically, in this particular case, the data is yearly data. So from year 2001, 2002 until 2010. And then the actual observation or the actual demand is listed here. Like the first one is 21.6, 22.9, and so on. In general, we would like to generate another column, typically called period. The period column is simply a sequential number. So in this particular case, we arbitrarily chosen 1 to represent 2001. After that, we generate a sequential number after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, to simplify the calculation. So now we are going to work using the period column and the actual demand. Now the method started by finding the value of the intercept and the value of the slope. So in order to find the intercept, we simply use the intercept function. You can type intercept and open the parentheses, select the actual data, the actual demand, and then the period associated with those actual demand. In this case, we have 10 pairs of data. Okay. Then we hit enter. The result is shown here, 20.4. Next, we calculate the value of the slope. We can type slope and then again the actual demand, comma, and then the period. Okay, hit enter, we get 1.1. The results show that the linear trend forecast equation has the following form: T sub T is equal to 20.4 plus 1.1 times T, period T. Once we found this equation, then we can start calculating the trend forecast. So we can put the number, the equation here, which is equal the slope. Click the value of the slope. Now you need to add the absolute reference. Okay, plus now the slope, then absolute reference times T, which is cell B7. Okay, now we are ready to copy this formula to the rest of the cells. So we hit enter. That's the trend forecast for period 1. Okay, then we can drag or copy this until period 12, assuming that we want to calculate the trend forecast for period 11 and period 12. Now I need to adjust my borders here to make it prettier. Here we go. Let's conclude the presentation.